The 2009 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, bucket seats, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.